Trying to decide between Shopify and WordPress for your online store? Let's break it down so you can pick the one that actually works for you. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform. If you want to build a store fast, start selling products, physical or digital, and not get stuck in technical stuff, Shopify is perfect. Everything's handled for you. Hosting, security, payments, updates. You just focus on designing your store, adding products, and growing your business. It's great for beginners and serious sellers alike. WordPress, on the other hand, isn't a store by itself. It's a content management system. But when you add the WooCommerce plugin, it can turn into a full online store. That gives you more control and flexibility, especially if you like tinkering with code or already have a WordPress site. But with more control comes more responsibility. You'll need to manage hosting, plugins, updates, and security yourself. So which one is better? If you want something simple, beginner-friendly, and built for selling, Shopify wins. But if you love customization and don't mind handling the tech side, WordPress with WooCommerce might be the better fit. It's not about which is better overall. It's about what matches your goals, skills, and how much time you want to spend managing your site. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning toward. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews and e-commerce tips every week. Catch you next time.